Hello and welcome to LOGIC ERP. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to stay updated with the latest videos.
In this video, we will discuss an option that enables gender-wise retail footfall recording within the sales bill to track the number of people entering a physical location to measure visitor traffic. To activate this feature, open LOGIC Admin and navigate to Global Settings. Under the POS Options section, enable the checkbox labeled Allow Retail Footfall Entry Gender-wise. Once selected, save the settings and restart the software to apply the changes. Now, let's see how this feature functions. As soon as a customer enters the store premises, the operator or user can press Alt plus F8 and a prompt will appear where you need to choose the gender and enter the footfall count, as shown on the screen. This provides a simple and efficient way to monitor store traffic directly through the billing interface.
I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe.